Facebook. Happy Tuesday. How is everyone? Here's PJ. You can't see her though because I'm pointing at my stove right now. Giving her a cookie. I am starting to prepare dinner because I like getting it out of the way early. It's just how I am. And I already started, so I want to show you what we're going to be having today. And they're so good. Grayson loves these biscuits, okay? They're cheddar sausage pepper biscuits. Say hi when you pop on. Hey, Jen. Hey, Jamie. They're so good. I'm going to show you what I've got going in the pan right here. Hopefully I don't drop you. All right, so in there is 4 ounces of pork sausage. There's 4 ounces. Hey, Erica. 4 ounces of pork sausage. I have about a cup of chopped peppers. You can use any pepper, red, yellow, green, doesn't matter. And about half a cup of onion. I don't use that much onion. I use less. It's personal preference. And I've got it in this pan and I'm just frying it up. I'm going to actually add some garlic because I think the recipe could use garlic. Everything can use garlic. Where's garlic? All right, I'm going to get some garlic in here. And then I'm just going to let this all cook up, get the veggies all translucent, meat all cooked. And then I'm going to let that cool. And over here, I'm going to put together my dry ingredients and make up some more biscuits. So let me show you what goes in the dry ingredients. I have a big bowl here, and I have 3/4 cups of almond flour. And I have salt and pepper. I don't measure. It says a half teaspoon. I just put in. You want another cookie, don't you? Easy. Easy. Okay. And then that's it in there. Oh, I'm sorry. And then your baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. You gotta have baking powder, right? And then we're gonna mix it. Okay? And then in a bowl, I've beaten 3 eggs. Okay? And I'm gonna add that with a half a cup of shredded cheddar. I did take the time to actually shred cheddar this morning while my kids were eating breakfast. So I'm going to take this is a cup. I'm going to take half of this and I'm going to put it in this recipe. And then the other half I'm going to sprinkle on top. So I'm going to just guesstimate right now. That looks about good. I'm going to put my eggs in here. Mix this up. Okay. And this is the base. So I've got almond flour, salt, pepper, baking powder, eggs, and some cheddar cheese. All right. And next, I'm going to get these veggies all cooked, the meat all cooked, and I'm going to let this cool. I have to let this cool. When it cools, mix everything together. Just put it on a cookie sheet that I've already prepared. You see it behind me. About that big of a biscuit. What's great about these is you can actually eat these anytime. They're great for breakfast. They're bacon, egg, cheese, sausage, and you can freeze them. So I make a lot and I freeze them and the kids will eat them throughout the week. They're great. They're great for dinner. Today we're gonna have keto fried chicken and biscuits with a veggie. I haven't figured out the veggie yet, but they're great for any time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like recipes like this, you guys, I have a free keto community here on Facebook that you're welcome to join. Just message me, go to my profile and message me. Say you want to join the community and I'll pop you in. I share recipes like this all day long and they're awesome. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Stay warm and I'll talk to you soon.